Hi guys, back again with another unboxing video. This is the CM Storm QuickFire Rapid mechanical gaming keyboard made by Cooler Master with the Cherry MX Red switches with the very low resistance linear feedback. So that means it has a actuation force of 45. So that means the lower, the faster response time. I got this on eBay for less than £50, and original price is £70 to £80 around worldwide. So you have Cherry MX switches, N key rollover via PS2 mode, extra keycaps and a keycap removal tool. We have a removable band and USB cable for basically should I say the cable management, and I'm just gonna show you a little bit more than that then. So I'm just gonna open the box and okay, what you get here. Let's see the accessories first. So you get USB to PS2 adapter, and you get the keys, Cooler Master keys, and the keycap removal tool, and there's the removable USB to mini USB, and it's gold plated, and then that's it. The keyboard, and let's go. Get the keyboard out, and you get a instruction manual or user's guide. Just gonna pop these to the side. And here it is. It's got no flex at all. It's got really good build quality. It's got the media keys to F5 to F12. You can hear the mechanical switches. Uses the Cherry MX Reds. Caps lock. And that's quite good actually. And then there's the feet. It doesn't have rubber on there, but they will have rubber on the main. So two little rubber bits here, and then the USB goes on there. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the key switches. Just pull out, I don't know, it's part of the, there you go. So this is why the Cherry MX Red switches, they are red, and doesn't have the tactile feel, tactile click like the Cherry MX Blues, but it has the tactile, response feedback when you hit the end of the keyboard. So I'm just gonna put this back. This is just a well, I think that's pretty much it actually. So this is just a quick unboxing of the CM Storm QuickFire Rapid Cherry MX Red mechanical keyboard, and I have a giveaway for you. I just got some earbuds from Apple, and in order to get this giveaway, to reward this giveaway, and you just need to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up on this video, and then comment down below. And if this video hits 100 likes, I'm gonna give away 2 of these headphones. So they are Apple headphones. They are genuine, and so this is so to like, favorite, subscribe then. And then I'll see you next time. And if you want more reviews on this keyboard. I'll probably make one soon. And yeah, just like, favorite, subscribe, and if you want some earbuds, and I'll see you next time.